Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Sea otters are disappearing and the fish population is crashing fast. Let's solve this ecology puzzle together and find the right answer right now. First, identify that sea otters are a keystone species. This means they have a massive impact on their environment that is way larger than their actual population size would suggest. When these otters were hunted, it triggered a trophic cascade. Without them, the crabs ate all the sea slugs, which allowed algae to overgrow and kill off the vital eelgrass. The loss of eelgrass habitat caused the entire community to collapse, making option B the only correct choice. That is how ecosystems work. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs of community collapse and always trust given ecological data for success.